Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute tutorial, we're going to be learning about the AND operator in SQL. So, what is the AND operator and what's it used for? The AND operator is used within a where clause, and it's used to pull records in your data which meet both criteria 1 and criteria 2. Always remember to use quotation marks for text fields when you're using anything in the where clause, including the AND operator. So let's see how this works. So here we've got our country table with a list of countries and a bunch of attributes about those countries. Let's just quickly use our where statement to pull some data. So we'll do select from country where population is greater than 1 million. And I have a separate video on the where clause, so please take a look at my other videos if you need a refresher on that. So here we have a list of countries with population greater than 1 million. Now let's say we want to look at countries with population greater than 1 million and a life expectancy greater than 75. Here we add to our where clause and life expectancy greater than 75. So this should now pull data for us, all countries where the population is greater than 1 million and life expectancy is greater than 75. As you can see here, it pulls it exactly like we thought. Now let's try another one. Let's say we also want to find countries with life expectancy greater than 75 and the continent is Europe. Notice here how for continent I'm putting Europe in quotation marks as it is a text field, whereas the 1 million and 75 were not in quotation marks. So here you see we have a list of countries which are in Europe, population greater than 1 million and life expectancy greater than 75. That's a quick overview. Please leave questions in the comments.